Wow, he tracks so fast. He's got it. I'll be damned. 130 yards this time. Only the third time he's ever done a track. He does him on a dead run and makes me out of it. What a good job, Bubba. What a good job, bud. That's excellent, Jess. Good job, buddy. Yeah.